Yo, what's up guys? Victor here. This video, I just wanted to show you guys how I make CNC work. Actually, it's really just a cinematic like B-roll of me making templates for my buddy. He makes like skateboards and stuff and like longboards, and he just wanted this quick little job, and I just like decided to make some cool cinematic B-roll of it. It's not really a how-to, you know, not everybody has a $3,000 CNC machine in their garage, so it's mainly just like a cinematic reel. But in the future in this channel, I want to make more art videos, just about like my art journey and anything kind of related to art really. They'll probably be like pretty short videos, vlog style-ish, with like some cinematic scenes, and because I just love that shit. Yeah, so please enjoy this video that I threw together. Thanks.
Keep you struggling.
There we go. I got
The angle of this.
Oh,
Not
shit.
to you, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I didn't think of
Look at
this.
this execution here. You guys are fucked.
This is already gonna go bad.
Butter knife.
Not the feet. Why are you
Oh!
Who's the director that likes
doing that?
Oh,
Tarantino?
no, I think it's the guy from Nick. What's his name?
You know what I'm talking about, though. That's who he's pulling right now.
Alright, we all set?
Ready?
Alright, cheers. Let's go.
Oh, we all have the blue ones. This one better be yours.
Right? What's up, lad?
Beautiful. We got another Nick in the making over here, Jacob.
Oh, yeah.
How's he feeling? How you doing? Oh yeah.
Amongst these fucking
high school
JV kids.
I thought that was a good one.
What the fuck is all that?
Ain't no thing.
That hurt!
No, it's a warm up.